Kevin here from Capital Tech Solutions. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Powered by Shopify in your website footer. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to come over to Online Store, and then you want to come over to your theme, and you want to click Actions, the little Actions drop down, and then you want to click Edit Languages. And then once you're in here, then you want to come up to the filter bar, and you want to just type in Powered. And this will go through and it will find anything that says powered in it, and what we're looking for is Powered by Shopify. So you could replace it with something else if you want it to say something else besides Powered by Shopify, but in this case I just want to remove it. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit my space bar, and then I'm going to hit save, and then I'm going to come over to my website and make sure that the change has been updated. And it has, so now it's gone. And so yeah, that's how you remove Powered by Shopify. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them below in the comment section. Also, please subscribe to our channel as we do come out with these videos often. Thank you.